Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Rebirth. Following that, you need to tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!